Hello my favorite students, welcome to Coronavirus Ceramic class. Today we'll be making a soft slab mug. Basically a mug out of a soft slab of clay. So first I'm going to wedge my clay. And then we're going to throw a slab. Remember when we did our nameplates, we threw a slab? Yeah. That, I think, is the best way to get a slab. If you just can't get the throwing down, you can use a rolling pin. But if you use that rolling pin, make sure you put your clay on a canvas cloth so it doesn't stick to the table. I'm just going to throw this slab. So I take my wedged clay. Here we go. You ready? Oh, that didn't sound good. Oh, we're okay. Oh. Okay, I think we're about ready. Okay, I have my slab of clay. The next thing I like to do for a slab mug, we're just going to use a rectangle piece of paper like this as a template. This is about 11 inches by 5 inches. Depends on how big you want to make your mug. You can do a different size, but this is pretty standard. I'm going to lay it on here, and I'm just going to use a needle tool. I'm going to cut a slab. Oh, I forgot. I want to put a texture on it first. So, use a metal rib to give it kind of a texture. I just want some random lines that go through it. It's not that cool. Oh well. I'm going to take a template . I'll speed all this up on the demo so people don't have to watch 30 minutes.
Of you cutting out a piece of shit.
Yeah, it's pretty boring. Okay, there's my slab of clay. I'm going to keep these other pieces because I need a slab for a handle and I need a slab for a bottom as well. So I'll keep those, set them aside. Okay, I'm going to grab a chair. Oh, does anybody have their slip out?
I can go get it.
Awesome. Okay, so I'm going to roll this into a cylinder. And it doesn't work just to pinch this together. Okay, look at this. look at this where they connect. It's like a double thickness. By the way, it doesn't work to go end to end like that. That doesn't connect it very well. So we want to have an equal thickness all the way around. So in order to change that so it's not double thick where the two pieces meet, I'm going to actually smash the edges down. Take a little canvas cloth, kind of smash it down. If you don't have a piece of canvas at home, you can just use a piece of newspaper or a sheet or something like that. Now when I put them together, whoa, would you look at that? It's like an equal thickness all the way around. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay, so now to score and slip them together, I'm going to score this edge, and on the other side I'm going to score the inside edge. I'm going to take some slip. I would like to thank Abby for letting me borrow her slip for this demo. And I'm just going to add slip. Then I always go back and I score the slip again. Okay. And then I carefully take these together and I smash them. Ain't that a little something there? Eh? I forgot to round the lip off before I did this. So I guess I'll do that at the end now. Usually I round my lip off first. But then what I do is I take a piece of my slab. I'll put that on top. I'll make sure it's nice and round or whatever shape you're going for. And I'll kind of trace around it. And I'll score. Score it real good. It's hard to push it in place like that, so I always cut a little extra off and push it up from underneath. And once it's on there securely, I can go back and I can trim the extra off. I'll go back later and I'll clean that edge up a little better. And then as the final step, I need to put a handle. Maybe I'll use this piece. I like that piece. And I'm just gonna cut a strip out of that. What do you think about that handle?
That's a good. Oh yeah. It's quite long.
It's too big. That would be terrible. The thickness is up to you. You want it to be comfortable to hold. I'm going to round the edge of my handle so it's not so sharp. So I just cover that with the fabric and then it rounds it right off. I think that's a pretty good thickness. I'm going to go with that. And then you do the same thing. Score and slip. So I want this handle to go right about here. And I'm going to score that. I'm just going to dip it in the slip because it's small enough that I can do that. And I'll score it again. Take some of this slip and add it to the connection point. Score it. Get some slip on there. Why do I go back and score it after I've already scored it once? It mixes it in with the clay body. And when it becomes leather hard, when it kind of stiffens up, I'm going to go back and clean up all these edges. Because I forgot to round the lip off, I'm going to go back now and kind of round the lip off. I should have done that the same way I did the handle. If you just rub a piece of cloth on it, it rounds it off so it's not sharp. What's the final step? For every single project you make in this class,
Take a picture. Take a picture.
Write your name on the
write your name on the bottom and
bed.
You guys said it. What'd you say?
Take a picture.
Take a picture and post it on Canvas. You do that. You can do that before it's glazed, before it's fired. And that is a soft slab mug.